Hi! Today I am going to be doing an unboxing and try-on of the Everlane the Way High Drape Pant. My name is Mimi, and if you're interested in this kind of video, please keep watching. If you've never heard of Everlane, they bill themselves as an eco-conscious, eco-friendly company. And they are 100% known for their beautiful, classic, timeless, quality basics. So the Way High Pant is a style that they constantly have in their collection. It's a staple style to the company. They're famous for this pant, this trouser, I should say. And it is a high-waisted, extra high rise, flattering pleated fit with a wide leg, and the drapey pant is made out of a drapey fabric. So let's go ahead and open the package. So true to their eco-conscious branding, the package comes in paper like this, and it says Everlane on the front. Beautifully packaged. It is definitely recyclable. Let's open this. See what it looks like. Okay, it is packaged in plastic on the inside, and I have the color cornstalk black, the size 2, and a 30-inch in seeds. So let's open this up, see what they look like. Ooh. Ooh, those are nice. These are beautiful, beautiful straight stitching. Even finished on the inside. It's not raw. Look at that. It's got a, it's called a bias bound seam around the waistband. Nice interior button. Nice hooks and eyes. Let's see what the zipper looks like. Good smooth zipper. How's it finished? The inside seams. Let's see. How's it finished? Okay. It is turned and stitched, but it's not exactly flat fell, because a flat fell, this is just stitched, and then that seam allowance is stitched down on the pant itself. It has a deep hem, looks like it's about 2 inches. It's turned and stitched on the hem. These are beautifully made. The pockets, this is hard to do if you know how to sew and get nice and even. And then it's got the same thing on the front. I forgot what this is called. Bound pocket. Patch. Not a patch pocket, it's bound. Bound pocket, I'm sure you can see right there. The same fabric. Pockets are nice and deep. The inside of the pocket is lined with a little bit of fabric, so that's if this comes open. It doesn't show the lining. That's beautiful. Okay, so the quality is definitely there. These are good. Fabric is nice and soft. The fabric is 60% tencel and 40% cotton. Now for the fit. When I read the reviews, everyone said these ran large, and I am going to say that the description says that the model, I wish I could have shown you a picture of the model. I will have a link to this particular product in the description so you can see what I mean. It says that the model is 5 foot 8 inches tall, and she's wearing a size 4. If you look at that model, those pants are falling off of her. They're at least 2 sizes too big on the model. It says that The size 4 is for a 27-inch waist and 38-inch hips, and that the model in the inseam the model is wearing is 32-inch because she's 5'8". So she's wearing a long, and they're huge. They're way too big on the model, and then they have them styled on the model so that they look intentionally that big. They did it. I think they're trying to cover the fact that the model is probably a size 0 in these pants, and they put her in a size 4 to make it look like she's not that small. But they're literally falling off the model. They're huge. So I got the size 2, and my waist is 26.5 and my hips are 37 inches. So the size 2 is meant for a 26-inch hip, 26-inch waist, and a 37-inch hip. So it's very, very close to my measurements, the body measurements. Now, the garment measurements for this says that the garment measures a 29-inch waist and a 42-inch hip. According to those garment measurements, I probably should have gone down to a 0, because for a size 4, which was on the model, the garment has a 30-inch waist and a 40-inch hip, and those were huge on the 5'8", most likely a size 0 or 00 model. All right. I got the 30-inch inseam, a size 2, and I'm 5'2". I told you my measurements, so let's try these on and see how they fit. My gut feeling is they're going to be at least a size large, at least, but let's see. Okay, so here are the pants. This is the front, the side, the back, other side, and the front again. That's what they look like. And I am going to say that this 30-inch inseam is long. It covers my feet. It's very long. So I'm probably going to have to shorten these some because they're long. I also could have gone down a size, even though these fit beautifully. These are nice in the size. They're not tight around my waist. They look nice. They look really good. Now for a more fitted look, I could have gone down a size, one size, to a 0. A 0 would have fit just as nicely, but I like this, so these are great. The pleat is flattering. It doesn't make your belly look bigger, which is something that the pleats can do. The way the pockets are cut, they're so smooth, and they're deep enough for your hands, which is really nice. They don't have any bulk. They're nice and drapey. These are gorgeous. Okay, Everlane. Now I see what all the hype is about these trousers. They're absolutely fantastic. Now, would I pay the full price for them? At full price, these are, I think, $140. No, I wouldn't. But they are worth the price when they go on sale. This pair was on sale. I believe I paid $31 for them. When I got them, there were like more discounts and stuff. The price has gone up a little bit on these. I think it's running about $55, but they're still on sale because they discontinued this color. But for the sale price, yes, as a tailor and a seamstress, these are worth that price. Full price is a bit steep for these, but they are nice trousers. All right, everyone, that's my unboxing and review of the Everlane Way High Drape Pant. They are definitely a beautiful quality pant that you will have in your wardrobe for years. You can style them in so many different ways. These can be casual, they can be dressy, definitely beautiful. And if you like this kind of video, please give me a 2 thumbs up, like, and subscribe. My name is Mimi, and I will talk to you later.